You can make over $5,000 every single month by simply writing a few lines of text. No fancy equipment, no technical degree, just your creativity and a bit of curiosity. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not. Let me show you how this surprisingly easy side hustle can help you turn words into money. And trust me, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. But before we get started, please show some love by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. What is a prompt? AI tools are everywhere. From apps that create stunning images, chatbots, apps, animations, codes, videos, long and short texts, and many more. But here's the secret. These tools need instructions, what we call prompts. And here's where you come in. With just a little creativity, you can create these prompts and sell them for real money. The demand is huge. Businesses, creators, and even everyday people are willing to pay for pre-crafted prompts that help them get the exact results they want without the trial and error. And you're about to learn how to jump into this trend early and make some serious cash. What exactly is AI prompt selling? Let's break it down. Think of prompts as recipes. Just like you follow a recipe to bake a cake, AI tools need specific instructions to bake the perfect response, image, or solution. Your job? Create these recipes for others who don't know how to cook. Well, prompt. Here's the best part. You're not just limited to one type of AI tool. You can create prompts for text-based tools like ChatGPT, art generators like MidJourney, Leonardo.ai, or even design tools like DALL-E. And the more specific or unique your prompts, the more valuable they are. How much can you make? Let's talk numbers because that's what we're here for. A single prompt on a platform like PromptBase can sell for anywhere between $5 and $30. Now imagine you create 50 solid prompts and sell each of them just 10 times a month at $10 each. That's $5,000 a month. Even if you're just starting and make $500 a month, that's still a pretty sweet deal for something you can do from your couch, right? Step-by-step guide to getting started. Step 1. Learn the basics of prompts. First, you need to understand how AI tools work. This doesn't mean you need to be an expert. It's like learning to drive. You just need to know the basics. Start by experimenting with free tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E. Try giving them different instructions and see how the outputs change. For example, instead of saying, "Write me a blog post," try, "Write me a 500-word blog post about eco-friendly travel tips with an engaging introduction and 3 actionable tips." The more specific and creative you are, the better results you'll get. Step 2. Find your niche. Prompts can cover almost any topic, but focusing on a niche can make your prompts stand out. Are you good at writing? Create prompts for blogs, essays, or creative writing. Into art? Focus on prompts that generate specific styles of digital art. Love marketing? Make prompts for catchy social media posts or ad copy. Pick a niche you're comfortable with and start there. Step 3. Start experimenting. Once you've chosen your niche, play around with prompts. Write down ideas, test them, and refine until they give consistently good results. For example, a travel blogger might need a prompt like, "Generate a 7-day itinerary for budget travelers visiting Paris with a mix of sightseeing, food, and local experiences." Step 4. Create a portfolio. Before selling your prompts, you'll need examples. Use tools like Canva or Notion to design a clean, professional-looking portfolio showcasing your prompts and their results. Screenshots of AI outputs are your best friend here. Where to sell your prompts? Now that you have a portfolio, it's time to list your prompts for sale. Here are some popular platforms. PromptBase. This is the go-to marketplace for prompt creators. Etsy. Believe it or not, people are selling prompts here too. Fiverr. Offer customized prompts as a gig. Gumroad. Great for selling prompt bundles directly to your audience. Each platform has its pros and cons, so try a few and see what works best for you. Tips to maximize your earnings. Tip 1. Be specific. The more specific your prompts, the more valuable they are. For example, instead of "write a poem," create something like, "Write a 12-line romantic poem in the style of Shakespeare with metaphors about nature." Tip 2. Bundle your prompts. Create themed bundles like 10 prompts for social media content creators or 5 prompts for stunning AI-generated portraits. Bundles often sell better than single prompts. Tip 3. Stay updated. AI tools are constantly evolving, so keep testing and refining your prompts. Join communities like Reddit or Discord to stay in the loop about new features or trends. Tip 4. Market yourself. Even with platforms like PromptBase, marketing yourself on social media or LinkedIn can attract direct clients. Share examples of what your prompts can do and how they solve real-world problems. Common questions. I'm not creative, can I still do this? Absolutely. Creativity is a skill you can develop. Start small, practice, and you'll get better with time. Do I need to spend money to get started? Not at all. Most AI tools have free versions or trials you can use to practice. What if my prompts don't sell? It's all about trial and error. Analyze what's popular on marketplaces and adapt your style accordingly. So, what are you waiting for? The world of AI is exploding, and the demand for quality prompts is growing daily. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, AI prompt selling is a fresh, exciting opportunity that you can start today. Ready to turn your creativity into cash? Start experimenting, create your first few prompts, and dive into the world of AI entrepreneurship. Your financial freedom might just be one prompt away. Please like and share this video with your friends and family to help them to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.